Hey guys, I'm back. Look what I got. These beautiful vintage shoes, right? I bought 3 pairs for $1. So these were like 33 cents, 34 cents. They need a little work. They need a little tender loving care and everything like that. So stay tuned for the beautiful transformation. I'll see everyone later. Always shop on a budget, guys. You never know what you can find. And I'll be posting more videos up later today. I'll see everyone later. Bye. And subscribe to YouTube and subscribe to TikTok so you guys can see a lot more videos. All right, bye everyone. All right, guys, this is the way the shoe is right there, all the damages and everything like that. So I'll be right back to show you what it looks like when it's finished. All right, guys, I'm back. I just want to show you how it's coming out. Like brand new, guys. These are vintage shoes that I paid 33 cents. So follow my YouTube, follow my TikTok to see a lot more of these beautiful shoes, beautiful items that I repair, make them look brand new and everything. So I am so happy that I got these. I'm going to wear them with a nice outfit and everything. So thank you for watching my channel, and thank you so much for all the subscribers with your messages and everything. I'll see everyone later. Bye.